everyone, I'm Agi, and this is one of many videos I have created for you to watch about my tech stack. So the applications I use in my service-based business. I'm a freelancer, I build websites, and I help people create marketing that will attract customers to their website. Please subscribe to my channel if you are looking to learn a lot in a short amount of time. My videos are short, snappy, and they bring you a lot of value. So if you do subscribe, you will get notifications of new videos being added to the channel. Now, today's video is about an app that I use for scheduling my social media posts. Social media posting is an effective and free of charge way of attracting customers to your website and to your profiles, which eventually can turn into a collaboration or a new project, new customer. So Buffer is here. I am already logged in. First thing you would have to do after you join Buffer is connect your social media. Now, I'm using a free version. I don't like to pay over the odds for simple applications. So I can use, I think, up to 2 different channels. And what I have connected is my Facebook group. Unfortunately, due to restrictions from Facebook, you won't be able to post directly to your private profile, but you can post to a group. And what I do is I post to a group, then I go to my post in the group, I copy that and I post it manually on my profile. But what you can certainly post into is LinkedIn, and I have those two connected. I also have Instagram connected, but I don't use it. Now, once you connect those two, what I do like to do is I do like to use the monthly view because it gives me a calendar. So let's imagine that we are in June right now. Let's imagine that I want to create a campaign around one topic for July. I would quickly go to July, and you see I've got here drop down with one channel. I want to switch both because I'm actually posting the same content on both. Yesterday I created this this post. What I have done is I first written it in my Notion, which is another app that I use for creating content. Please do watch a video. There is a video on Notion as well on my channel. And I go to that, let me just minimize this. I go to that post and I basically copy the body of it. Or actually, this one is not finished. So let me go to this one. I copy all of that I've written and I go to Buffer, and let's say I want to schedule it on Wednesday. I will add a little plus. I'll paste it in here and you see both of these are highlighted, meaning that it will be scheduled to both of these channels. You can add an image, you can add a video as well. So this is where you would do it. And the reason I write my posts and format them, adding emojis and different line breaks in Notion is that it's easier. You can edit once you scheduled in Buffer, but I find it quite tricky, and I have unfortunately deleted a few things I didn't want to delete. So I think it's best to write it in Notion or in your Google Drive or somewhere else and then paste it in here. Then you add your media. If you do add a link, it will automatically show a little preview here, so that's fine. And then you can even customize it for each network. If you, for example, have Twitter connected, Twitter may need less wording, so you would remove that words for Twitter only and leave the full text, for example, for LinkedIn, which takes more text. And then in here, you can edit when this is going to be scheduled. So we don't want it scheduled in June, we want it scheduled on 5th of July, and you can give it exact time. If you have a schedule created in Buffer, it will automatically suggest those times, but I like to do it manually. And then at the end of the month, I look at which posts perform better. Are they the morning posts or are they the later in the day posts? Now, the great advantage of doing this is not only that you have an overall strategy for your campaign, but also you will never skip a day. Consistency is very important when you are creating a social media campaign. And you never know what's going to happen. Your internet may die, something comes up that you cannot actually manually issue a post. Well, with this, you don't have to worry, because if you have scheduled them for a whole month, they'll just come out. Now, the other advantage of using a system such as Buffer is that on a paid for subscription, it will allow you to view analytics of how your posts are performing. So this is a paid for feature, but you can get recommendations how to grow your following. You can measure the performance of your posts, and you can really see everything in one place, which may be better for you than going to Facebook or LinkedIn and looking at analytics. Although this is how I do it, and I don't think it's too much of work. But you know, it is worth to explore Buffer as a paid for option. The other tool similar to Buffer is called Later. You can see the pricing here. They are comparable, but maybe when you are starting out your campaign, you just want to focus on a free subscription, and Buffer offers it, and it's done a great thing for me. For 4 months, I have grown my following on LinkedIn and on Facebook. So I think this is a great app for you to start with. For 14 days, you also get a free trial, so you can kind of play with it and see what it does. And I really do recommend it. As I mentioned before, I would love if you subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be creating more short videos on different applications that I use this month. And in the future, I will be adding other valuable content, such as explanation on how you can attract customers to your business, create your website, improve your website and your marketing. So do subscribe now and give me a little comment about this video or anything you would like me to record a video on. I will take it into consideration, and you could actually receive a link from me or a reply with the link to the video that you requested. So thanks a lot for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it.